okurijirra hari bishop sente z'orukuhika obuhumbi 2 na miliyoni 100 nizo bariyo nibaronda okutebeekanisa omukoro ogwo kandi hati bashororizeho obukiikuri 120 omu sente za Uganda.
20 million was still low. The budget is 2.1 billion. We appreciate central government which promised to give us 1.5 billion. The president will appreciate him, so we're waiting for that money. And the arrangements are going on well. We have regimented celebrations at the Anglican station in Namugongo.
Bishop Eba bigambere barokubwabwanaho abanyamakuru aha ofisi ye erukushangwa aha kashoza ka St John's omurembo Fort Portal ahizobe ryanyemwe bazyo ogwashabira abantu bona abukiru kukwataho okukwatira hekanisa ya Uganda omukutebekanisa ekiro cy'abajorezi enshominche hwire omwebembezi wihanga akaraganisa okukwatira hekanisa eji nakahumbi kamwe n'eshweka bitu tatitwa mu ruhanga nagira ngo bakarebere na ryarenga.
Last time when we were there for a meeting, we had only allocated 120 million. But the president promised to give us 1.5. We are still expecting that money. So in a sense, by last week in the meeting, we had a deficit of about maybe 500 million shillings. So we are still not performing well.
Amareberezi agarmu rwenzori, south rwenzori, east rwenzori, west rwenzori, bunyoro kitara hamwe n'amasindi kitara gakatoranwa kuba nugo gayebembere mikoro yo kujaguza kireki omwaka ogu omuri Namugongo.
Those who want to contribute funds or finances to support our function, we have an account name. The account name is Church of Uganda Matters Day Celebrations. That is the account name, Church of Uganda Matters Day Celebrations, and the account number is 1013203082677.
Aho tugire kurgira hakanisa eji ya St John's tusigira abeshongozi batandikire kutereza amaraka gabo Bishop nagira ngo bureberezi nibuza kureta abantu abarukuhika 50 abarabe nibebembero kweshongora aha mukorogu gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.